Hey everybody, in this video I'd like to talk about more stuff from Daiso that you can buy from their camping department. So here I have a very simple alcohol stove, and this was going for I think about 11.90. So you can find it at some of their flagship stores. Not every Daiso outlet has camping goods. The one that I would say you can find almost immediately is their flagship shop in Wan Utama in Bandar Utama. So okay, this is the tiny little alcohol stove. It has a warning sign in Japanese, on usage and all that. I don't know what it means, but if you use a Google Lens, you can probably translate this. So you open up the alcohol burner, you have the holes and all that. So what you do is that you fill it up with alcohol. I think the measurement is 3/4 full. Just light it up and you will burn. The alcohol stove also has an option for you to use with a trivet. So this is actually a stove base. You open it up and you get to set up a triangle for the alcohol burner. So it's something that goes like this. Okay, this is the triangle, and the alcohol burner goes underneath. So you have a base to put a cooking vessel, a small pot and all. So this is about 5.90 from Daiso. But if you want something more solid from Daiso, that's the hexamine stove base that looks like this. Once you deploy, it's rather solid, so you can put the alcohol stove on top. So this is designed to go together with the Daiso mess tin or anything that you can use like a small pot. Since the capacity is small, I think it will burn for a good 2.5 minutes or maybe 3. That's just enough fuel, for you to boil water, prepare a small instant meal like instant noodles or anything that is dehydrated, so you can reconstitute the food and get on with your meals. Daiso also sells these plastic bottles, with the red marking, so you can use this to put alcohol, right? They have little scales, as measurements. So with the little alcohol stove, this alcohol vessel, it's just perfect. So there you have budget gear from Daiso. Yeah.